going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe. If you do like what you're listening to, please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books, Cryptoteacher and the new Road Order book. The new Road Order book is going to show you how the world works. It is definitely time to wake up out of your sleep in the times that we're in right now. Plus, guys, we know we're waiting on that next main event towards the end of the year. We had the first quarter event. Like I told you, that would happen. Don't forget this is Shemitah year. And then also, I want to thank those who purchased the 3 Kids books. It's definitely time to re-educate. And also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. Do not forget I have the New World Order cryptos in my Patreon. Do your own research, but going inside of a bear market, you definitely want the cryptos that have real use cases. And much love to those who are shopping at both stores, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And we have Bitcoin and crypto falling. Remember what I stated yesterday, guys. I'm not your financial advisor, not financial advice. Please do your own research. But we have Juneteenth. This is a 3-day weekend. So we definitely should get liquidity coming in Sunday night and moving up Monday. But make sure you're paying attention to the actual indicators. But Bitcoin is falling below 20,000. Remember I told you I see 14 to 20,000 as the low. But like I stated, make sure you're paying attention to the indicators because they're going to let us know which way the market is going. That is yield rates, that is volume. Of course, we need volume in order to move either way. And then, of course, guys, Tether USDC. USDT market cap has fell down to 68 billion. And we know in the bear markets or in the bull market, when we see stable coins getting pumped, we're moving up. But normally in the bear market, they're still moving up. But now it's going backwards. We see the actual manipulation. Remember, stable coins are nothing but dollars. The Fed is controlling the supply. And remember, the Crypto Teacher told you, stable coins give them the same power they have right now when it comes to the dollar. And we have the Fed says stable coins are not backed by safe liquidity assets. But guys, when it comes to the dollar, we know the dollar is not backed by anything. We know the history of fiat currencies. They end up being zero. That's the reason why we're not on the gold and silver standard. The Federal Reserve was created so then therefore they could control the money supply and then also print money out of thin air to buy up the world. And guys, we can go back and clearly see this. So if you have an agenda and you put the money behind it, you can create any illusion that you want. And remember, your life is an illusion and TV is your reality. And then guys, we have the Fed. Repo is still over $2 trillion, which is amazing. Doesn't get any type of attention. And then also, guys, we know these central banks, including the Fed, are raising rates in lockstep. The ECB starts next month. They're rolling off these big balance sheets so then therefore they can destroy this global economy and give the rise of the new digital economy, which gives the rise to the machines. The robots, algorithms, and drones take over the economy, pay each other with crypto, and remember, blockchain gives the NWO the all-seeing eye. And then, of course, guys, we have Grayscale moves down another $250 million. And we know everyone is getting ready for this storm. The SEC makes a decision on the spot Bitcoin ETF in a few weeks. But guys, make sure you're paying attention to their allocations. They've been moving lockstep with the actual Fed. Now, getting over into a little crypto news. We have NFT platform Immutable X launches $500 million venture fund for Web3 games. And guys, we see these funding rounds, these venture funds have slowed up. You know, I've mentioned just about every last one of them just to show you how much money was coming in so that therefore they can build this new digital economy. But it definitely has slowed up. But we know how important gaming is going to be. It's going to get the millennials and Generation Z inside the metaverse. And I'm going to speak about the virtual world later. Now we have Bitrue releases upgrade after protocol secures $450 million via per-chain account. And the launch of slot liquidity auction protocol 2.0. Now we have Binance will no longer use PIX, suspending the withdrawals and deposits in Brazil. Says it's changing its Brazil payment partner for a better customer solution. Also, we have Ukraine joins the European blockchain partnership. And we know Ukraine has been leading the digital transformation long before the C word. And then lastly, guys, we have Meta partners with Balenciaga, Prada, and Tom Brown and launches digital fashion marketplace. And who told you that Facebook was the perfect platform for social shopping? Didn't I tell you they'll be able to try on the outfit without physically trying it on? You know, guys, I told this a long time ago. This is why NFTs are going to be so important. The people are going to be avatars in the virtual world. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. This is all for the social shopping, social credit, social working. Remember, guys, when it comes to cryptocurrencies, you're going to get paid on a daily basis. The virtual world is so important to the NWO because they know so many people are going to be out of work. So much time on your hands, they need you to go somewhere. And when you go inside that metaverse, you're not coming out. And remember, the crypto teacher told you because he knows. When it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Crypto Teacher Stock Channel. Crypto Teacher Stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming, while everybody's sitting at home, get own stocks, the C-Word, the biotech stocks. And while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID-33. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.